Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you guys think about moving to San Antonio in the next 30, 60, 90 days? Let me help you by saving you some money. Check out this model home. They have over $35,000 in discounts that I can help you with. Let me know. We are out here at Tranquil and Tally Road in a neighborhood called Vernia Ranch. And today we are visiting the Beazer model home. This house is at huge floor plan. It's called Huge, 2,100 square feet, and it has standard 10 foot ceilings, and spray insulation in the house. It's amazing, it's great, it's quiet. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. All the bedrooms are upstairs. And we'll go ahead and check out their kitchen here. We have their island here. Here we go, the kitchen and their island. And you can see it. It's gas with a beautiful black splash. 10-foot ceilings. You have open floor plan with your kitchen and your living room. Again, all the rooms are upstairs. And downstairs you have a half bath. Here downstairs where people have your guests coming in there. Let's go ahead and go upstairs, guys, and see the 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. There's 17 steps as you come in. And when you come in, you're greeted, that's the master. And there's 3 rooms over there. Let's start off on this side. You have your full bath. That's shared with the rooms up here. Your laundry room. That's how it looks down there. And then you have your bedroom number 1. Nice sized bedroom with a full-size bed. At the end you have your master. Here you have room number 2. And room number 3, which is getting set up. Alright, I'm going to show you how they have their insulation. So it's 90 degrees. Alright, so now we're going to go here and show you guys the master. Huge king size bed. And it has 2 closets, his and hers closet. In the master, there's one there on the right. And there's your shower. And your sinks. And the extra closet back there. Let's go outside and check out the backyard. Alright. So again, we're on the back of Petranco and Tally Road. Close to SeaWorld, close to other hospitals and other important areas. So we have a patio, we have covered roof here. There's our backyard, that's Tally Road in the back here. We're at Lackland Neighborhood Ranch. And this is a finish from the huge floor plan that we have. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking to the end. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, comment. Thinking about moving to San Antonio? Let me help you. This property is giving over $35,000 discount for this one. Let me help you guys. Thank you. Subscribe.